Honorable, good morning.
Good morning, Nhyira. Let's say.
Adom na uzwe.
Oko within no okon kan one.
Akokoa.
Akokoa.
Yes.
Na
Edini mu edu ohun.
Akokoa de atanti deeper.
Enyasem getwa. Honorable na enoma to say. Right. Minim secretary part of a constituency. Na no maybe air cost kakra. Bepe se odi wani ebedi achi na minim se oya aware se middle lane no ma portion am the first woman income omuni dwa wo mu a.
There be the kind of Akokoa and Chiama what you saying na. We teach you where this constituency ayo maduma menya akonya some more parliament. I don't pay as a more busami faculty. You can take it here. There are about 3 or 4 constituencies and more stake work of Phobia.
KJT, sure. Yeah.
A doom Kahopa and Nhyira fan. And I mean, Nhyira South. And a SUame. These Kumasi constituencies, maybe now state a crowd here.
Right.
But we teach you SUame.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now, this is the first time if I'm in this is going to some machine. Yes, let's give more details. Now, Mr. More, the name in your NPC, too.
Right. And yeah, Muntu Wana Moma for the middle lane issues biaba. One more HS even chairman awaba for free MD awaba for free chess and a idea cost that they give the middle lane to people to be there.
But MD there.
MD afayam. Yes, na or chess a idea cost that. Now no betoye and he tried to do some
middle lane be am interested.
In hono. After say o mamema stores no inside near the infini ho bi da ho na enchenchen no so omudidwa na omo tete hu say ya no mo tete fam infini ho saa ebi kura wo free entrance ni gate ni bakura bu nso omo wo wa asamu a de be fam infini ho no yade saa nkrofo ni nyina no omo kire se yaji omo sika nkakra na ya register omo amoma ho but omo nkomo twetwe mu ni se sisi no ya patch so omo emfiri ho na abeye bibia wo ho ntino I'm sure say would weni be fa ho na yahwe because mpanifo bi sika bi akofa baby nti na mo ahwe amaye why. All right. But quickly yenhwe Kotoka International Airport. So far me say minority no mo was stands kakra apart from area kojo opon kroma me say ono was stating emphatically say is a good idea say you change the name from Kotoka International Airport to Accra International Airport no. Minority no in your view per your leader HSF Montiase di ntina ebanesa mu nyina na modwen sa na say wono any opinion
I am aware that the minority will take a formal position. Very soon you come out with a formal position because they took on the matter and say I'm not about parliament. Now we be about parliament or the rationale behind whether it's a bill or whether it's a proposal. And on the I do attention. And you know, so far the minimum do attention is just a statement government and you know about parliament minority will be to keep a formal position on it. But so far no, I think what is the media no be based on what the person has said. But we be know about parliament now. About we take a formal position. But maybe me free say about we no abra na ye campaign 2024 I'm can say to you. Almost say a man no any about one year demand.
Okay.
No ba omode be a friend 24-hour economy beba. Na eno no ba aduma ba ko nipa 3 no be in a day. So and no, and now Ghana for the trap amount.
Right.
And then I mean, for my ban, the kind of more many are company. The parliament says that this is a back. The number that 24-hour economy promise here, and this a Juma, that brain of money. Possible. But so far, no, yes, annual. Been in office for a year. We haven't seen any concrete plans. Or more years, to the very and man said about the video. Or more can stop more within 4 months. Galam say, no, it's to be trapped. You see, I Galam say, no, the idea dance yesterday against them got to work. And several other promises are more years.
Nhyira.
And you know, there can some of us, the Angel saying, if they are almost 2 animals. Then I will buy a deal with the apple change, a deal with the apple change, you know, a deal of strawberry movement.
But, sir, I think said the old canon so but changing the name of can say projects institutions near the no and yet different thing. All governments we were institutions we will be changing the baby mu change the near day and yet the ACBA more attack or more just unnecessary ana
you know what attack is here as my can say or more call election or make it campaign or man promises or mobile on be change the so what I say and your mom kind and I'm gonna for you mom to about not change of state national income. Almost on be themselves. So far they haven't been able to do it.
Sure.
Also over there a Juma brother. So far they haven't been able to do it. Almost time if they succeeded an economy that was in the process of revival. Yeah, time now we're starting very well COVID-19. Any invasion of Ukraine by Russia and the year 60 and by a Basano. On my experience, you see, I'm because the gold prices was still so petroleum prices above from international. I just say after the economy, the whole choice. So the prices of goods and services are so skyrocketing. Possible.
But you agree?
Because of these favorable external factors, they will leverage on that. Na abuama edi yuma aba. Na abuama prices of goods and services conform. I know that's one concentrate. Then now, yes, after America University, you are changing the yes, Dombo University, you are changing the and then the other back with the say, and you're not here. So they did not. Ghanaians did not vote for them to be changing names of state installations. Voted for them as they promised. So the Juma I'm not bringing it behind. Government should concentrate on those policy measures.
I perfectly agree on them unemployment. Miss way problem I have with the government says so mutimi bua me nyuma ho nsem. Ya na e ha dwene bebre. But looking at the side of the economy and now ka ho asemi prices of goods more parliament yenim se enka indicators yi said ya na mo amodi tudwane inflation above exchange rate no ye kama bibi e koso said mo flag bearer currently all kind say when the fundamentals are weak the exchange rate will expose say no ma nyina wo ho fundamentals now pointing great because we share S&P ratings are if we see aba bi ni ade e kire say economy economy mu anesa but manfo edidwa wo kurom ha no ase bebrenu ano ebu abekọ shop we kura ne buo sei utimu se ade na ba fem ba bi ekofa no ankasa wo kofa e wo fem but o mugusu a wo moto no manim den na ye be ye asoman ya ebetimi dia solve sa ade we because ase bibia na ye be bo aban tiri so but yenso timamufuo na mi se de yenso ye na ase enye papa fo dwadie mu.
You see it's an economy you catch inflation cost one in economic theory as I say I have studied the economy of the individual or the economy of the small business. So, and so they would you and Tisa.
True.
We're not man for be and it's obvious to say. Say it's now or more canon at the core formula at the Adena. The BNA is manipulating. Because you need to a genuine, I don't know, reflecting in our pocket.
But we are being supervised by IMF, other ratings, so rating agencies in the bar, they take our financial documents, no maybe. And so, are you saying that Ombetmia manufacture, sir? Okay.
But Ghanaians are not interested in economic indicators. So, I think you can begin to about
but obviously, now inflation was 54. Internal man for complaining about 23 near day.
Well, but I'm just saying, then maybe during that time it was correctly reported. Because if it's correctly reported, it should reflect on the ground.
Right.
In the market, domestic market, part of market, bank major, you can say reflected. But it's not. There's a huge concern. Growing concern among economists, among policy observers. Say, now then, there seems to be a disconnect between what they are reporting in Accra and what is happening in Makula market, Kaneshi market, Bantuma market, Umati Asafo, and it's a huge problem as I say.
Okay. So on the part of the traders, say yefa petroleum for OMCC ya yitimi so petrol ya teso but obehwe no obekọ pump no omutimi twan ya be 2-3 days ansa no mate so na nse nim say aban no try say omombe ye say nyina no wanhwe yom beje om license om ye enforce ya ase binum ho a ye kan overnight no kwa ne bia na wono mo asesa no enye adwadifo na mu na om ahyeda na om mia ye bia ade no bekọ fam nti ye se pe kwan ye befa so in the market economy ye behwe kwan ye befa so ebitimi ahyehye ne yama adwadifo no be obey say bia figures ne ye na ye jeni om betimi a obey
me de sa no na post is been there. That's what about my NDC government. It's their duty to address this problem.
But in Parliament,
I feel that suddenly wouldn't also be able to do it.
Debbie, maybe so say. Yenina yedija. Honorable, yenina yedija. Me kotoa dia. Me go baby a me to me noma. For instance, me kotoa rice ne oil ne adia. Me go baby a me to me noma. Me tu me noma wo ho. Me kotoa me hu ni se e wo fem. But oko one shops no a. Omo a ye store nketwa no a ebia no de 50 cedis 30 cedis 20 cedis asa ato so ejiana mbisa omo say even ensu a yenumi obi de me 5 cedi 50 pesos say wo kwan mu ha and I ask adan because I don't cry koto anti ye shemu 12 ayi no cry ye say now
this asma okanyina has to do with the management of the economy.
That is it.
Wait a minute.
Okay.
Policies at the top. You have to make sure that on the ground. Also, your policies, you what creative figures in the BIA also. Now, it is the responsibility of the government. And I said, yes, leaders, they have association, they have leadership. It's the government responsibility to engage them.
Okay.
Now, if there is a problem be within the supply chain now, or marriage or
okay.
Right.
Right. Honorable, my main phone here. Na minimi say every pem ye be say nya
SUame Interchange. Project.
Yeah, I come be 4 minutes, but on that quickly now fi so be will be can fa ho
omo NDC are buying. You don't prioritize Kumasi infrastructure projects, especially road projects. SUame Interchange is meant to address the transportation, the traffic situation. Traffic situation is very bad. SUame Interchange is one of the major interventions. MPs are buying the bias, Kumasi traffic, you'll be issue, and I bet maba mo se mo de be ka big push no because anya mo priority no mo pese mo de sika bishop amaye meanwhile makota to new project me the imagine me say SUame interchange given the fact that Kumasi here the northern city we are passing through Kumasi to connect to other parts of the country and if I say community Kumasi DJ now we completely our project
okay
makota to new project e be a home person it look SUame interchange I'm say aban can all repricing in your man. No making sure that interchange, as it was envisaged, it should be completed.
My time in internet because I have a lot of questions to ask you. For instance, the promise by Nana Danko Akufo-Addo said by end of 2024 we'll see the overfly. Say now flyover no any adeni nyina no we overpass no sorry. Overpass no.
As for project today.
Meba honorable my mainland. And in the House of Parliament, who were Parliament, the document came in 2022. Parliamentary Committee on Routes and Routes no omo I can say even 15% of the fund no available. That is provision has been made any by the committee. And here say 140 million euros. Ye de be shim ni etimi aye. Promises by 2024 from 2022 36 months of the project and guess yetimi who say baby will cry ata and san and can move free to 2024 but we didn't see that ebi kan ho na bufu amount for the ignore so mon kotwa by
SUame interchange there are several parts. One key part access roads there ya no SUame ya bi obantima and I do Nhyira. So even you have to father sooner there some parts you don't access you say that when you start the main one I'm also being baby afa. I know more it's part of it. It's no who say you need to I don't just say any other words.
No, but a project okay.
Yeah, construction the major works no ya ne before more. You are
SUame.
It is okay, and
no, but the entire project, honorable. Okay. Right.
The effect of COVID by the minister recently mentioned said you see where it was brought down as a baby. So when you actually say the effect of the
honorable respect. No, we have to put in the facts, me pacho.
No. So you don't have the facts. I have the
okay.
facts.
No, I have the facts, honorable. I have the facts. Because COVID. Okay. Kasa.
It's not fair. What is the question? Let me answer it with respect, Akokoa. I'm saying that there were financial challenges in the process.
Namunyeska.
And this is about years almost farmer because of the debt exchange program. And in the backside, you refinance it, especially when measures that you put in place a marble funnel every musical that debt exchange program. It was supposed to put us in a certain pedestal, which we did. At that time, but it was a necessary evil that had to be done. In the next year, 2 years' time, a normal is stable. Until the normal at the economic front, financial front, is stable. It's the government we are by now, we were taught it's their duty to refinance and reprioritize. There are about 64 projects initiated. It's 64 projects on my initiative, are more finance. Are those projects more important than the SUame interchange? They are not. It's because they are not prioritizing SUame interchange. That is the problem. What I say, that is the problem.
The question now, Obi Owa Ashanti region, which is the stronghold of the MPP, Ebi Bisane say, There were other projects in SUA that was carried out by your government then. The space of this project now from 2022 where sword ye cut sword. Now you say 36 months ye be intinka before 2 years and ka move free so now can me fancy aka one yes, I get it. Honorable, if you let me land like you landed and kebeboy. If you let me land.
Okay, all right, sure.
Good. To say me yema ona. Now, what spend it 2 years? Aka 1.5 years. Within that 2 years, there were projects bisu and now buying egusu and no so here were other areas, including Enkrine. Why say o stronghold man prioritizes senka the woman yina information na SUame interchange ebe yem futuro ni nkienwie ba mo antimi anwie
Enkrine project na wo kan enye ni yina ni nkienwie there's one
but Pokuasi Murie commission ye other areas.
Wait. We'll interview this question me answer. There's one what come runabout interchange. That was a Japanese grant. The money was there. It wasn't affected by the debt exchange program. So I say. There's also one Ubechebi land case. Tikano was there. It wasn't affected by debt exchange program. It was the SUame Interchange financing, and it was affected by the debt exchange program, which was unfortunate. It wasn't deliberate. So I think
no, you see, honorable.
Government. I hear projects, road projects of Kumasi. Since President Akokoa is the MPP administration. All the major road projects in Ashanti region, MPP. This government, the responsibility of financing projects of the country is in the hands of the new government. There are 30 projects like that. Also, I know the but you are starting new projects, 64 other projects.
Honorable,
what are you talking about?
I'm happy. Say, okay, said the other projects and the funds were available. What that, and it's quite important. Say, you notice say when the funds are available, it mean my completions. You know, internet can say, nanke say you prioritizing the year.
I'm saying that Japanese grant in a year runabout, and no, it was a Japanese grant, and they decided they wanted to spend it on the interchange. The same thing I
me now hanka me pepa
Japanese grantor
right
from Patase, I mean supply runabout through Patase ABC Johnson ABC banners on and a runabout. We secured it. Fena ain't to be at the project will start. But I say, if you find in Biane and it's just unfortunate. SUame touching the funding was hitched by the debt exchange program. It wasn't deliberate.
Okay.
You are planning. Sometimes you are not able to visit all these things and things come up. Plans. It wasn't deliberate.
Right.
We were very committed to the SUame interchange. And I think that if this government is committed to the SUame interchange, they are doing 64 other projects. They call PPA, according to approval. Why couldn't they have invested that money in SUame interchange, given the importance of that project in the transportation architecture of the country?
Honorable Aben Minya, how 101.
My baby to my during election, you know, is a parliament to be a year one at all.
Yeah, Timieshi and Quebec pa me time now. I am here. The fact is what I've laid before you. Because the concern on also. No, Honorable, you can't say that. I've put the fact before you. And I will in your statement, say it's quite unfortunate someone to me and you see. And it tells you something happened. I've put before you say, Honorable, okay, let me ask you. Me time but let me ask you, is it not true that the process of SUame interchange, you could lay that process before Parliament in 2022? Yes or no? Before the roads, no, honorable, yes or no? Roads committee, yeah, they got 2 many. No, if you say that mini facts and you are attacking me, I mean, beside a question, just answer me. I'm asking you my facts I have. Was it laid before the roads committee in Parliament in 2022? Yes or no?
But it doesn't matter.
Good. No, I'm asking you. There's no imano. Did Nana Danko Akufo-Addo say that the project, the first phase, will be completed by the end of 2024? The president of the Republic, Honorable, let me ask you this question.
That we go through.
No, I understand, but if you say that what I'm asking you, Nana Danko Akufo-Addo said the first, and America is a fact, and I've put it there. I'm asking you that your president said the road will be completed, the first phase will be completed by 2024, and it didn't complete. BBC question asking me facts.
I'm telling you the reason why we couldn't.
Thank you, Honorable. Yabesa Kasa. Nhyira 104.5.
Nhyira FM 104.5.